unveiling the secrets of online writing, how writers can turn passion into profit. The most desired careers worldwide, today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of online writing and debunking the myth that writers can't make money. In fact, how to be a writer ranks as the second most popular career search globally, just after how to be a pilot. But first, this is Ash Cash Tash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Section 1. The Art and Business of Online Writing. Meet Nicholas Cole, a multi-millionaire online writer who has not only mastered the art of digital storytelling, but has also turned it into a thriving business. Cole's journey serves as a testament to the extraordinary potential within the digital realm, with a track record boasting hundreds of millions of views and claiming the top spot as a writer on Quora. He has further solidified his success by earning tens of thousands as a speech and ghost writer. Now, he generously shares his wealth of insights in his book, The Art and Business of Online Writing. Nicholas Cole's story is an inspiring narrative of navigating and excelling in the evolving landscape of online content creation. His accomplishments not only reflect his prowess as a writer, but also underscore the lucrative opportunities that exist within the digital space. As the #1 writer in Quora, his influence extends across a vast online audience, showcasing the power of impactful storytelling in capturing the attention and engagement of readers. Through the art and business of online writing, Cole extends his expertise to aspiring writers and entrepreneurs looking to carve their niche in the digital realm. His willingness to share insights and strategies underscores the collaborative and empowering nature of the online writing community. Cole's journey serves as a beacon for those seeking success in the digital age, emphasizing the significance of mastering both the art and business aspects of online writing. Section number 2. What online writing is and isn't. Online writing, as Nicholas Cole defines it, diverges from traditional approaches. It doesn't entail years of laboring over a book idea or relying on the approval of traditional publishers. It also doesn't involve toiling away on a blog or website, hoping for a stroke of luck with Google. Instead, online writing, according to Cole, revolves around publishing where the readers already exist, on social media platforms. The emphasis here is on meeting the audience where they are, embracing the immediacy and accessibility offered by social media channels. Central to the concept of online writing is the power of rapid feedback loop, a tool Cole underscores as crucial for writers. This loop allows writers to leverage data to inform and enhance their craft continually. Unlike more traditional publishing routes, the dynamic nature of social media platforms enables writers to gauge audience reactions swiftly, adapt their content accordingly, and refine their skills in response to real-time feedback. This iterative process not only accelerates the learning curve for writers, but also fosters a more interactive and engaging relationship with their audience. In essence, online writing, as championed by Cole, redefines the writing process by embracing the digital landscape and the unique opportunities it presents. It's a shift towards a more dynamic and responsive approach, leveraging the power of social media for immediate audience connection and continuous improvement through data-driven insights. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the subscribe squad. Hit that like button and stay tuned for awesome content. Section number 3. Tools for effective online writing. Nicholas Cole proposes a strategic 3-step process depicted as a funnel for effective online writing. The first step involves entering the forest of ideas. In this phase, the emphasis is on generating a plethora of ideas and consistently publishing across platforms. Cole advises against the common mistake of commencing the online writing journey with a blog or website. Instead, he advocates leveraging existing audiences on social media platforms, recognizing the immediate reach and engagement potential these platforms offer. The forest of ideas serves as a metaphor for the expansive and fertile landscape of creativity. By exploring and cultivating a variety of ideas, writers can establish a diverse and engaging online presence. Social media platforms become the canvas for sharing these ideas with a broader audience, tapping into the existing communities and networks available. Following this creative phase, Cole guides writers into the feedback cave. Here, the rapid feedback loop comes into play. Comments, metrics, and audience interactions in this cave become invaluable data points, offering insights into audience preferences, trends, and effective content strategies. This data-driven approach enables writers to refine their craft, tailor their content to audience expectations, and continuously evolve as creators. In essence, Cole's three-step process provides a structured framework for writers to navigate the dynamic landscape of online writing. It encourages creativity, harnesses the power of social media for immediate impact, and integrates a continuous feedback loop for ongoing improvement and adaptation to audience needs. Section number 4. Making money from online writing. Nicholas Cole provides a comprehensive overview of 3 distinct models for monetizing online writing, catering to the diverse needs and preferences of writers. The first model is the advertising model, where attention becomes the ultimate currency. In this model, revenue is generated through clicks, ad space, affiliate marketing, and brand sponsorships. While it is a straightforward approach, success in the advertising model requires a significant amount of attention, as attracting a large and engaged audience becomes paramount. The second model gaining traction is the subscription model. Platforms like Substack have empowered writers to build a direct and exclusive relationship with their audience. By offering subscription-based content, writers can generate a steady income from their dedicated followers. This model places emphasis on creating high-quality, valuable content that resonates with a specific audience, willing to pay for premium access. The third model, the product model, involves transforming writing into tangible products. This could include creating ebooks, courses, merchandise, or offering consulting services. By packaging expertise and insights into marketable products, writers can diversify their revenue streams and establish additional income sources beyond traditional advertising or subscriptions. As we wrap up, becoming a successful online writer takes time, consistency, and adaptability. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, but the journey can be immensely rewarding. Once again, this is Ash Cash Tash. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video. And for more engaging content on economics, business, and personal finance.